Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a common PC with Windows 10 as a wireless router. So this can be if your router died, or if you just are in a pinch and need to find a quick way to broadcast your Wi-Fi. So the first thing you need to do is take your Ethernet connection from your modem and plug it into your computer that you'll be using. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is go ahead and just make sure that your Ethernet is connected. So it says there my network is connected. So now what you're going to do is open Settings, go to Network and Internet, select Mobile Hotspot. Alright, so now that you're under Mobile Hotspot, you're going to want to go ahead and click this button here that says Share my internet connection with other devices, and make sure that it's set to share internet connection over Wi-Fi. So you can see here I have my test network set up, and it shows me what devices are connected. So now I'm going to go over to the device I want to connect to this network. Alright, so now I want to go into Settings, Wi-Fi, and from the list below you should see my test network right here. So now you can see it connects, and we're good. So now if I go on to the Wi-Fi and I just click on Google, it loads up. Like I said, if you just have a spare laptop laying around with an Ethernet connection and you're not using it and you want to use it as a wireless router, this can be a great solution. So yeah, thanks for watching.